Welcome everyone. The topic for today's video lecture is Python dictionary. Dictionaries are the collection or bunch of values in a single variable. These are collection of key value pairs and it associates keys to value. Dictionaries are mutable, unordered, and forms key value pair. So these three are the main key features of dictionary. That means dictionary can change a single value at a time. They are unordered and each key is associated with a single value. Dictionary can be created by including the key value pair in the curly braces separated by comma. For example, here we have taken teachers as a name of the dictionary, which stores the name of the teacher as the key and the subject being taught as the value for the key. Now let's create a dictionary. So for that, we need to take a name of a dictionary, teachers equal to the name of the teacher as the key, and the value for the key is the subject which he or she teaches. We will take few more teachers' name along with the subject. After creating the dictionary, we will print the dictionary and we get the values like Raman, Geography, Rizwan, Pol Science, Aksham, Biology, Richa, Maths. Now if I want to print this dictionary in a form like Raman colon Geography, then in next line Rizwan colon Pol Science, next line Saksham colon Biology, and so on, what we need to do? So for this we need to use for keys in the name of the dictionary. Now I want to print Raman. So Raman is the value which is taken up in keys and the value of Raman will be in teacher keys. So for this we will just write print keys comma colon and then again the name of the dictionary along with the keys. Now when I print this, I get the value Raman, Geography, Rizwan, Pol Science, Aksham, Biology, Richa, Math. So we can access the element of the dictionary through this method by writing for keys in teachers. So it will access the key of the dictionary like Raman, Rizwan, Saksham and Richa, and along with that I can print the value of the key by writing the name of the dictionary and in square bracket writing the key. Now let's see how to access a single element of a key. So if I want to print the single element of, I will write the name of the dictionary and then the name of the key. Like if I write Raman, run, I will get geography. So this was how to traverse a dictionary. Now if you want to access all the keys of a dictionary, what we will do? So we will write the name of the dictionary dot keys and run. If you want to access the values of the dictionaries, which is along the keys, you can just write teachers, the name of the dictionary dot values and run. You will get all the values. Now if you want these keys and values should be stored in some data type, so this can be stored in a kind of list because it is just resembling list. So just I will write list teachers equal to teachers dot key and I will run. When I print list underscore teachers, I will get the value of the variables in a list. Now, if I want to access the names one by one, I can write for I in list teachers print I. So I'll get the name of all the teachers here. So the same way we can also do things with the values. Okay, we can just convert it into a list and then can print or use anywhere if we want. Now, how to add an element to a dictionary? So adding an element is very easy. We will just write the name of the dictionary, and in square bracket we need to write the name of the teacher. So if I write the teacher's name as Samarth equals to English and run this and print teachers, I will get Samarth as English. But yes, if I will write the name of the teacher which is already existing in the dictionary, like for example, I will write Saksham here and English, the data will be overwritten. So Saksham will have the subject as English. Okay, so if we write a new key, the key will be added to the dictionary. If we write the older key, the value for the key is updated. Now let's see how to delete an element from a dictionary. Deletion of element from dictionary can be done through two methods. The first one is by writing delete and the name of the key, and the second method is through pop method. So let's see the first method. You need to write the statement del, D-E-L, the name of the dictionary and the name of the key in single quotes. The second method is by using pop method. For this, you need to write the name of the dictionary dot pop and in round bracket the name of the key. Here, if the key is not present, you will get an error. Let's consider the teacher's dictionary and delete one element from here. So I'll be writing del, the name of the dictionary, and within square bracket and single quotes the name of the key. So if I write Richa and then print the dictionary, I will get the dictionary without Richa as a key. I can also do this through pop method by writing teachers dot pop and then within round bracket and within single quotes the name of the teacher. So if I write Richa here and run, I will get error, key error. Why? Because Richa is not there. Now if I want that instead of writing this way key error, I should get some other error like not in the list and run. Instead of error, I'll be getting the thing whatever I have written here. Okay, so we have the provision that instead of error in pop or del, we can use this. Now, if you want to delete the whole element, we will be writing del and the name of the dictionary. Now if I print the name of the dictionary, I will be getting the error that teacher is not defined. Checking the existence of the key. So if you want to know whether the given key is there in the dictionary or not, we have certain syntax for it. So for that, we just have to write key in and the name of the dictionary, or key not in the name of the dictionary. So if you write the first version, it will return true if the key is present in the dictionary, and here it will return false if the key is present in the dictionary. For example, if we have a dictionary here and we write lovely in teachers, so it will check whether that key is present or not. If the key will be present, it will give true. And if I write lovely not in teachers, it will check the presence. If it will be absent, then it will return true or it will return false. So it is present, so it is returning false. Checking the existence of value. So now if you want to check whether that value is present there in the dictionary or not, we can do it through teachers.value method. So we will write the name of the value in teachers.value, and if the value will be present, the answer will be true, otherwise false. Thanks for watching the video.